Carol here with Everspruce, the best home inventory app for iOS. Key features that make Everspruce the best home inventory app are 1. Secure cloud backup, 2. Custom fields, 3. QR code labels, 4. Capability to import and export entries, and much more. I created the Everspruce Home Inventory app to simplify home organization. After struggling to keep track of my items and my collection after several moves, I combined my passion for home organization and technology and created an app to make home organization easier. After over 2 years of development, the Everspruce Home Inventory app provides you a seamless way to manage your household items. My strong desire to help people stay organized and simplify their lives is why I created the app. Being organized saves you time, reduces stress, and frees up more time to do activities you enjoy. Access your items anytime, anywhere. And let your friends know the best way to get organized is with Everspruce Home Inventory app. At Everspruce, we are constantly updating and improving to make your experience more enjoyable. Here are some reviews. Don't forget to hit the like button for this video and subscribe to our channel. You can download the Everspruce Home Inventory app in the App Store. Thank you for watching. Until our next video, happy organizing!